Hey guys!
Hey!
Hey! Come and see what I made for you.
Okay.
All of you.
Wow! Whoa! Oh my god! Which one for me?
I don't know. We have 3 giant surprise eggs made of...
Play-Doh!
Sure, yeah!
Kinder?
No really.
Kinder Play-Doh!
So, where are we starting? Which egg will be first? Okay, the yellow egg is first, yeah? Open it and see what you got inside. Okay. You have a plastic egg inside, and what do you see there?
Oh my god!
I think so, yeah.
Wow!
Open and see.
Wow! Star Wars!
Yeah.
Oh wow!
A Nerf gun, yes.
Star Wars!
Yes. What else? Actually, I have a box here, but box was too big, so I couldn't put it inside the egg.
Nice!
Here you have some darts for it, 3 of them.
Wow!
Lego minifigures, 1 figure actually, and Angry Birds hanger. Who is the second?
Me!
Sammie?
Yeah!
So Sammie, open and see what you have there.
Go!
Yeah.
Okay.
A red egg now.
Ready? Wow!
What you see?
Skylander!
Okay.
Wow! Wow, Skylander!
Can I see the stuff? What is his name?
I don't
He's on the box.
box.
The box was too big. Tino Crow. That's his name.
And that's the Skylander. Wow. He's a ninja.
Do you think so?
Yeah, he's from the Ninja Club.
Okay. And what else do you have?
Lego minifigures, Simpsons.
And Angry Birds blind bag too. Okie dokie.
My egg now.
Yes, let's see what we got in the blue one. Yeah. It's empty?
Yes.
Empty?
Lego.
Lego inside.
Lego Batman. Oh my goodness.
And here we have a problem. Look, I'm editing the video and you see no voice. My microphone wasn't connected properly to the camera and we have no voice. So that's why I will talk just like this. As you see, we have in this egg, it was, what was that? The Lego the Batman? Oh, here we have the box. The Batman movie set, Mr. Freeze Eyes Attack. Oh, that's the gun from the previous egg, of course. That's how you reload it. Put the dart in. Come on, just put it in. This guy is so slow. Oops, that's me. And shooting himself. Okay. And we are opening now first blind bag. It was series 3, right? And we have the samurai. Nice. What's that? Angry Birds hanger. A pig was in the first blind bag of Angry Birds. Pretty cool. Sammie's opening the Angry Birds bag now, and we have a bluebird. Seems like Sammie's happy about it. Okay. Simpsons. We got that, I guess, with the box of chocolate. Another Angry Birds blind bag A red bird. Very cool. And another Lego minifigure. And what's that? Mommy, he said. I remember that. Let's shoot the roof. And that's a little story. Hello, I brought you some chocolate. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's enough, guys. Too much of it. Okay, I think we need to finish this video, yeah? And they are happy. Now I asked them, did you enjoy the video? And they said yes. And now, bye-bye, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and watch us next time. And click the bell. That's what Sammie said. Sorry again, guys, about this weird situation. We had like a lot of videos and it's happened second time we lost audio in our video. Hope you still enjoyed this.